Yo, what is up YouTube? This is Joel2TV, back with more for you to see. And today, as most of my loyal subscribers know, I am one of the luckiest persons ever when it comes to picking up a pair of Yeezys. I was picking up Yeezys every drop on the 350 V2s since they've come out. And guess what? I'm about to strike again because I just got a notification from Foot Locker saying I can go ahead and pick up a pair of the Yeezy 350 V2 in the butter colorway. Now I'm very excited about them, but I'm also not. Number one, when I went onto the Foot Locker app, first and foremost, you have 3 ways of, increasing your time. Somebody, I think, gave up their spot for the size 12 in the butter colorway. That's where I come in and I go ahead and pick up my pair. I was very hesitant on even trying to go pick them up because I have so many Yeezys in my collection and I don't really want this colorway, but at the same time, why not make a video for you guys about it? So let's go ahead and pick these up, but first we got to get hurling, so let's try to wake them up. Here we go.
And y'all had a luncheon or
we got the money. All right, pick it. You gotta pick it up. All right, guys. So because we can't record in this mall, we're gonna try to either bring in the phone or do something with it. But let's see what we can do. Let's go get some butter. So what's your final review on it?
I give it 6 to 7 out of 10.
Alright guys, we had a successful trip at Foot Locker. This is the first time I got a pair of Yeezys from Foot Locker, and I am kind of excited. When I saw them in the store, I wasn't too happy, but maybe it was just because of the stress of driving down here, maybe. Bam! We have a pair of the Yeezy 350 V2 in the butter colorway. Right off the bat, I don't wear yellow. I don't intend to ever wear yellow. They have a gum sole that looks kind of, you would say, a little orangish. And then it follows with this kind of like off-white, and then it really looks like a highlighter yellow here on the shoelaces and on the pull tab. Is this something that you should break your neck for or try to get for a stupid amount on resale? I would probably say no. They are not that great. I mean, if you were able to get it for retail, that's great. But I picked these up so you guys can see it. I'm gonna have a review on a separate video. Yeezy butter review coming soon. Joel2TV out.